back here again. So there we are, we're coming in. And the bottom isn't completely gone here, it's just sandy, dirty, and so we got that first Y.
Yeah, but we only got
Yep.
that one drain out there, right? So
Yep.
it doesn't see much. Never saw much.
Right.
In the way of chemicals. So as we move farther into that. So you think it goes up from 4 to 5 or 10?
I don't know. This looks significantly
Could be.
different size, or a 3. This is either a 3. This could be. I mean, it looks like a 4-inch drain right here, right?
Yeah.
But then 334 or something. I don't. Hard to tell. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It definitely changes diameter. It's definitely bigger.
Well,
So
that could be just because it's only picking up that drain.
bigger 4, but it could
You're
be
16 feet out.
down and out. So down 7 and
Yeah.
then out 9, 10. Yeah.
That's
So.
nine.
How many feet do you figure you're in?
He's only that way 9 feet.
Only 9.
So that's probably the first drain here, just past the foot wash there.
Yeah. And then you have the next one. Big hole, eh? So that's kind of where the holes start, I guess. And there's another Y there. They do.
The image is up.
They do.
Up.
It's, they have a self-leveling one, but it's bigger, and it doesn't like go in the holes as much.
What do you think they've just rotated on the screen?
Self-rotating screen.
Yeah.
Come on. The next option, right? They got to save a few for us, so that's where we kind of start losing that bottom at 25 feet. Okay. I think we could possibly do some more. Do we have any video or anything of that that outside pit? Can we look at that?
Outside pit.
The outside.
There is a clean out in that last room. I don't know if you want to put the camera down there.
No, not really. Right yet. Tell you what I'm thinking here. Let's clean up here.